Hello, namaste, my dear viewers. I'm your host Surendra and would like to welcome in my this YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn Google Sheet. In Google Sheet, how to make the salary sheet. So we have some conditions. Later, I'm going to start. Although we can do in a Microsoft Excel. Suppose here I have opened this in Microsoft Excel. Here we can do many things, like it's one of the wonderful and most popular web application, application, Microsoft Office application software. But I prefer in nowadays to use Google Sheet, because Google Sheet is one of the wonderful, uh, the advanced versions of Excel, we can say. um, in this Excel we can find here, I would like to it's better to show comparatively to the comparatively. This is my Google Sheet. Here we can find the numbers of rows and columns here also, and here also we can find, here also we can find the sheets. Here we can do whatever we can do in Excel, but here some more refined tools we can find in Google Sheet. And another thing, uh, to use MS Excel, or we can say this spreadsheet, we need to install Office package in our PC, in our personal computer. But in Google Sheet, wherever you are, if you are in terms of network, or if you are using internet, then of course you can use in any other device. So it's one of the wonderful tools that Google Sheet. So I prefer to use the Google Sheet instead of this. Although we can use this, of course, no matter, but in some extent, if you use some important document, if you would like to share with your friends, or you need to work in with a different devices, then of course I think it's better to use the Google Sheet. So I'm going to talk about the some more about the Google Sheet. So let's I'm going to minimize it, and okay, let's start. Let's begin out. So we have here, I have prepared one salary sheet, but later I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to use some another method how we can use that new. So I'm going to open my new Google Chrome, new window. So Control N, sorry, Window N. If you'll do that, it's Control N is for new tab, new window of Google Chrome. And after opening this, you can go with the Google here, Google Apps. Google Apps provides us different facilities. See here, all different facilities we have. Like here is the Play Store, Gmail, and this all different. But the most important is driver, so where we can store all our information, all our documents, in the form of image, in the form of text, in the form of any other, like in the form of web application. Of course, is one of the wonderful tool. And here a photo that if you have assigned your this ID Gmail account in any other smartphone or any other device, then automatically it will be backup to the Google. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the Google Drive today. And if you open this Google Drive, of course you can find this all the documents what I have done here. I have saved here this see here all okay. So here is my salary sheet, but I'm going to create new, because we have new learner, and we are going to learn some new things here. So let's click at start. When you click at new, so here is the plus sign, you can find, see here plus sign is a big plus sign here, new. If you click at new, here you can find, see here, more numbers of tools we are provided here. You can create the new folder, you can upload any other file folders. And here is Google Doc. It works like Windows, Microsoft Office Word. As Google Sheet is like that what we are going to learn. And Google Slide is here, it looks like a PowerPoint, and it's really wonderful presentation software. And here we can create the Google Forms for like online research or something else. And here is the more we have, like Google Drawing, Google My Maps, Google Sites, and Google Apps script. And yeah, of course here are different things, and we can connect with any other applications as well. So well, let's start then focus on our today's task. What we're going to learn is a Google Sheet. So here is the Google Sheet. So here I have opened my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet, and let's I'm going to zoom it so that we can see clearly. So here you can find the numbers of tools and numbers of different menus that really provide us different tools so that we can apply directly to our sets. So here we have question. We are going to prepare one salary sheet. So let's I'm going to in the middle somewhere else. Here I'm going to merge. Merge means combining two or more cells together, making a single cell to make a single cells. So when you do merge, here you can do here you can write here. So let's I'm going to write here salary sheet. Okay, so here and here even you can do some more like formatting, like you can do the bold, you can change the color of the text like this. You can fill this also, so like this you can fill. And oh wait, so yeah, I think it's better to use the yellow color. So and you can do the alignment also. We have the different alignments of this text. So here is format, and then yeah, we can go with all different menus as well as. And so let's uh I like to go with some here tools what we have been provided here only. So when you click it here, you can find here different types of alignments. Here we can use the horizontal alignment as well as vertical alignments. So vertical alignments and horizontal alignments, I'm going to increase the wide. So see here, by default my horizontal alignment is the left alignment. See here, when you click it here, drop down button, you can find here, so is the middle. Here sorry, you can go with the middle. And here this vertical alignment, see, by default it is the bottom, and you can make it the middle and upper. So see here is upper, you can middle, you can do the middle. So you can increase the size of this text if you wish. So sorry, from here, okay, so let's I'm going to make it 14. So like this you can do. So wait, after then I'm going to go with some more. Okay, so we have here some okay, so here is the title. So you can name to your document. So here the title is spreadsheet is written. By default you can change, just click on here and you can just type your own name. So I'm going to write here just only salary. Okay, so just click it, it's my set. So if you would like to go with this and refresh, you can find here here salary. See here, our document is ready, our file is ready. Now you can work and here. And well, so I have here one more worksheet here. So I'm going to open this worksheet also. So as here I'm going to show you, I'm going to prepare, suppose we are given this condition and we have here titles, different titles. I'm going to copy this title from here to our new file here. Let's just only do the copy paste. So here is this maybe you can say the serial number, or maybe ID, employee ID, and here employee name, post, basic salary, BSAL, here basic salary, house and rent allowances, and here medical allowances, travel allowances, provident fund means a kinds of social security fund, family fund, and then here gross salary and the net salary, what you being paid for that. Okay, so I'm not going to write here name. So and here you can resize this size of the column. So if you'll double click it here, suppose here that post is a bigger little bit, if you double click it here, it will auto fit to the text what is already given, or you can resize your one like this, you can resize your one. Okay, so I'm going to minimize it so that we can see other. Okay, and we are given condition here. So I'm going to write here upper our condition. So in this case, if you click it here, it's our row selection is this. So rows is columns. So I'm focusing on my tasks today, so I'm not going in basic. So if you need, so please give me a write and comment so that I can go with some basic things like what is column and some other tools, other functions in Google Sheet. Well, so here we have such things, and let's I'm going to insert some sheet here. So or okay, so we are given here some conditions. So I think better, let's I'm going to add, okay, 10 sheets, 10 rows above. Okay, so first you have to select this. These are the row selection. When you click it here, you can select it, right click it here, and you can insert 10 row above or 10 row below. So you can, or either you can delete, you can clear. So see here, you can find the different options. So let's I'm going to insert the 10 rows above so that I can write some conditions. Okay, so we have some conditions that I'm going to show you here. That conditions is in, we can find here. So here we are given some conditions. So we have some list. See here, we have some list. Okay, oh my goodness, I think it's not enough. Okay, so anyway, I will keep this by side. So let's I'm going to copy this, and I'm gonna paste here somewhere at the side. So let's here. So here we have we are given according to our maybe office or organization's rules. We have here some post. Let's I'm going to name it here as post. Suppose this is our post, and here we can say this is our salary. So this is basic salary. So BSAL. So this is basic salary. So we are given here like a salary, and so okay, so let's I'm going to minimize first for a while, so that we can see in one single screen. So these are our conditions. So we are given this um, post and then salary, and here we are also given some conditions like this. See here, so HR house allowances, and then okay, so here is the medical allowances as well as, and here like travel allowances is here. So let's I'm going to make here, and here the fund allowances is here. Well, so I think let's I'm going to select this first, this title. I think it's better to select this title. Okay, so let's I'm going to select this first. Okay, select this, and okay, somewhere here. Okay, so here let's, this is my question, so here I'm going to paste it, or let's let it better to up somewhere else. Here let's I'm going to paste here. All right, and oh sorry, I must select this all, and I must minimize so that we can work here. And let's I'm going to paste here. Oh sorry, I'm going to paste one more condition here. So this is medical allowances, that also I'm going to paste. So copy it and paste somewhere else here. Okay, so let's I'm going to paste this also. So I think it's better to use this all cell as you know that when I insert with this salary sheet, I have here increased my salary. That's why it's showing this all format. So let's I'm not going to use this here. Okay, just a moment. I'm going to clear with no fill here. Okay, it's a reset you can do. Well, so here we have these conditions, we are given these conditions, and here is more conditions we have that I'm going to copy here. About the travel allowances is here, and then provident fund is here. So let's I'm going to copy this, and here let's I'm going to paste. So you can paste. So here is the paste special, and here is the transpose. Transpose is just convert into like a whatever we can find. Suppose let's I'm going to show you. So I'm sorry, I think it's better to close this works uh, spreadsheet. So here's a Google Sheet. Here I have okay, so I'm sorry, I think I have to select this first. And when you'll do the paste here, I'm gonna paste here. And when you do the paste special, I'll talk about some more about this other paste special. So transpose is just transpose vertical into like okay, so oh my goodness, I'm sorry for this, but um oh sorry, what's I'm doing. Okay, so I think it's I must go with one by one, because my worksheet is copied somewhere else. And well, so here one more we have. Okay, so here is in my sheet, in my cell. So later I'm going to paste it. So this is what I have given in the condition. So according to this condition, we are going to find some formula. And then okay, so I'm going to make here this, although we are here given some electric lasers, but these electric lasers are actually non-printable. So for to make this printable, we must do the border like this. So all borders, so when you click it here and all borders, it will show that like this, all borders. See here. All right. So well, so here we are given here name and like this all. So okay, so I think it's better to use this all. um so this I'm going to copy here somewhere else. I think it will be better. Okay, so here is. And well, here, and let's this above row, I'm going to delete this all above row, because I want to show something else. Okay, so I'm going to delete this all 10 rows, and we are at the first at the top. So we are here. And okay, so see here, when I scroll down, my this heading goes off, and I cannot see what columns is this. So I want to freeze it. So it's very easy to freeze it. So here it's can you see here just only the dim thick line. So just use this little hand and drag it till here. All right. So and now then see here. Oh, sorry, it's my it's my mistake. Okay, so use this little hand and you can drag it like this. And I'm going to use this up. So it's I think it's I must go with this. Okay, once again, yes, I'm going trying this to move here somewhere else. Now here, see here, when I scroll off, see, but my this row number 1 and 2, row 1 and 2 is fixed. I can see down, see. And here also you can freeze this. So this is the freeze. So when you click at here by using the small hand, you can freeze here up to name. So that whatever, suppose here, I'm going to write here first it's my name SP. Okay, then see here, whenever I scroll off, my SP gone. But whenever I scroll horizontally, see here, see, it is freeze, so that we can see this all individual line. All right, so here post I cannot go and type this all individually, one after another. So I'm not gonna type that. But we have really wonderful tools that we can use this all as a drop down list. So let's how to create drop down list, I'm going to teach you. So first you have to go with the data validation, or you can select this all till where you want, like this. just you can select it, and here you can go at the data validation. Just click at the data, and then you can find here data validations. From here also you can do the same, dialog box will appear, or you can just right click on this value, on this selected cell range, and then here you can find here more, view more cell actions. Here also you can find uh data validation. Okay, so here when you click it, you can find one dialog box. See, this is the dialog box that we can see, and in this dialog box we can find here different tools, like here the list from the range. Okay, list from a range and list of items, numbers, text. Here we can find this all, but later in another video we will talk about this all. Now I'm going to select this list from the range, because we are going to list select the from our range. So you have to click on this, so that we can find like this range, and we are going to select this here. These are all these tools. So from here to here, all this data we have to select, all this post, and just say okay. Then when you do that okay, and here's so warning and reject input. If you'll select this, then it show the rejects input, so whatever you'll input. And it's also one wonderful, see here you can find this all the list of here. Or if you want to search, if we have some long range of list, then you can just type here something else, you can find, you don't need to go with this. So just click it here and type something like, I'm going to write here director. So see here, it's a director. When you do the director, you can find the director. Or stops. So okay, so see here, just if you type the yes, and then it stops. So if you want to just type yes, and here it's our assistant. So you can type like this, it's like a search button, it looks like a search button, search tools. So you can do like this. And so I want to have the basic salary accordingly, this basic salary, I don't have idea about this basic salary. So basic salary should come automatically when I choose the post, I want that. So for this you can just equal to sign. So I think I must do the zoom so that you can see clearly this formula. So here equal to VLOOKUP. So I'm going to use the VLOOKUP first. Then I will teach you if errors comes. So how to settle the errors. Here is the VLOOKUP functions, and it says the search key. What about the search key? So search key means this is my search key. This post, according to post, I would like to have some values. So this is my search key. According to the search key, that my value should be appear. And then when you do here comma, and it says that range. Shell range, where is that my shell range? Yeah, of course I have given my shell range. Here is my shell range. So I'm going to find my shell range. So this should be my shell range. So this is my shell range, that all I have to select what I'm given, that all post and salary range. And then again I should give the comma here, and it's saying the indexing means what do you want to show actually, that index, what index should be there. So from this cell range I want to show this column number 2, because in column number 2 is our my salary value is there. In column number 1 is my post. See, column number 1 is my post, and in column number 2 is my salary value. So I must write here 2, and then again comma, and it's saying is sorted. Yes, is sorted means true or false. Exact matching value is saying is sorted means exact matching value. That's exact matching value of approximately value. So we can give here 0. 0 means exact matching value. So when you do here, yes, see here you can find this all. So well okay, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to copy this all formula to till what we need. So till our uh the range. Okay, so this is here. Well, so I'm going to minimize the zoom so that we can see. Oh my goodness, here wherever I have selected here this my post, suppose let's cashier. So see here, it's my value is given, my salary is automatically given. But when I'll erase this all, it's saying that NA not available. So what is this? So I don't want this actually. So to settle such errors, you have to add one more function, that if errors, ERROR. If error, if error comes, then we must come at the last. If errors, we must settle after comma and double quote. So this double quote means empty. So here inside this double quote we have nothing written, so it means empty. And just close this bracket and you can find, see here, one my formula is settled. So double click it here, you can drag it till where you want actually, and then now see here, it's gone all. So when I'll settle set my here the post, automatically my this value will appear like this. And when I'll erase this post, it's gone. So in this way also you can do, it's really wonderful. And then now for the HR, we have written, we are given here some formula, sorry, conditions. So according to this condition we have to prepare some formula. So I'm going to write this formula for HR. So HR is saying that here also you can use the if error. Of course you can do the if errors, but directly I'm going to write the formula first. If bracket start, here saying logical expression, of course, if this is my basic salary according to this condition. See here is saying that if basic salary, see basic salary is less than 40,000, then only 10% of the basic salary of basic salary. Okay, so of basic salary, 10% of basic salary. So you can say if my this post, sorry, basic salary is less than 40,000, less than or equal to 40,000. So you can do like this, 40,000, then 10% of basic salary. So 10% of means asterisk, into, of means into, of basic salary. Basic salary is this. So just only this. And one more condition is here. If another, for another condition, see here, here we are given another condition as well as. So it's saying that if basic salary is less than 60,000, then 15%, and greater than 60,000, then 20%. That I'm going to include actually here. So okay, so here let's again I'm going to zoom it so that you can see the formula clearly. Here in formula bar, we are in formula bar. See here in formula bar, you can do this here, or you can zoom out. So okay, logical this expression, I'm going to close this so that we can see. Okay, so after this, if my this basic salary, again, if my this basic salary is less than or equal to 60,000, 60,000, here you cannot use the comma. So in middle, separate the value. So okay, so you just use comma, and then 15% of, well, again, basic salary, else means greater than 60,000, else you don't need to show that condition if again, or you can use that also, no matter, or directly you can do if greater than that, then 20% of 20% of basic salary. Okay, so that's all. So just enter it, you can find this. So yeah, of course you can do this all. So see, if you double click, it automatically cover that all formula, automatically copied. And for MA medical allowances also, here we are given here the conditions, same conditions. So it's a very easy. Here also the same formatting condition, less than 40,000 then 8%, greater than 60,000 then 10%, or sorry, less than or equal to 60,000 and 10%, greater than 60,000 then 12%. That also you can include here. So just click it here, just go here, sorry, and okay, so I'm going with my MA. Yeah, just that same copy you can do here. This same formula you can drag it here also, but it's saying that is including that basic salary as a HR. So it's not showing that salary. So they see here this E3 is in R. So I'm going to show you here. E3 E3 is this. So E3 is HR. We have HR. So not HR. So we must go with the basic salary. So I must write here D3. So D3 is basic salary. Is basic salary is 50%. Then we must go here 8%. So you have to change here 8%, and then same here 8% of basic salary. Basic salary is in D3. Is sale address D3. So and here also we have to write D3. Here also we have to write D3, and here also we have to write D3 because our basic salary is in D3, and in the place of this 15 we must write here 10,000, sorry, 10%, and in the place of 20% we must write here 12%. Okay, so here see here this MA also. Now here for the travel allowances also we are given here the condition, and that condition says only what is its condition says only travel allowances is only 2% of basic salary, and PF is provident fund is just only 10% of basic salary. So that also we can do. So I'm going to calculate this also. So here equals, so I'm going to zoom it so that you can see clearly. So equals 2%. So 2% of what? Basic salary. Just this. Just click it here and that boom. So here also 10% equals 10% of what? Basic salary. So just write here 10% of means into basic salary. So that's all. So it's a very simple. And then let's calculate the gross salary. Gross salary is the sum of all allowances including basic salary. So just here is the sum. When you click at the sum functions, it helps to calculate this all the range what you will select. So this is, and net salary is equal to gross salary minus provident fund, because provident fund will be saved, stored in account government account, so that we can find at the last as pension. So we have to do the minus of this PF. So PF minus we should do. So okay, so after doing this all formula, you can do this copy to all. See, when you double click it here, automatically it's copied to all. So you can do like this. So now after doing this, just select this post, and that all will come automatically. Just select the post. You don't need to do the calculate to each and each line, each column. So that's all. I think you got this. So enjoy with this video. I hope it's lengthy video, but I think I made it clear. If there is any queries, anything, then please let me know. Thank you.